and Best in TLE. With Leadership Award, a special recognition awarding for being the participants during the Division School Press Conference 2025. And second placer during the District Festival of Talents in Number Race Competition. And with Involvement Award for being a Girl Scout and having participated during the United Nations celebration. For with honors, we have Aubrey Jail Kaululan. A special recognition awardee for being